night, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. It's I again, and today we're playing on this song that says "Mma Mma" by Frank Edward. He's a popular gospel artist. Mma Mma. Mama, mama, hey. So that also will be deliberating on it today. As usual, we normally start with our notes, then we go into the chord. It's a very simple song. So this one I played here is just the intro. That's the intro of the song. Okay, let's go with the intro first. Intro, you go with notes, and then you join it together with the chord. Okay, that's the intro. So it goes like this. Re, re. Okay, sorry, I'm playing on key F. Normally I play on key F, as you guys know. So on key F, so you can play on your own key. Then follow the sofa note I'm really describing here. You can get it as well. Re re mi so, re re mi, so. Then so do so do so, so do so fa mi re do, re re mi so. Let me be picking it one so you see my fingers. Re re mi so, so do so fa, so fa mi re do, re re mi so do so, re do ti. Let's go again. Re re mi so do so fa mi re do, re re mi so do fa, so do so re ti do ti. Then play something like this. So fa mi so fa mi so, so fa mi so, and then like this. Do mi do fa, do mi do fa. But you need to make it play these two notes at the same time. So and la. Do mi do la. But we want to play you want to play the two chords the two notes at the same time. Play like this. Do mi do so la. Do mi do so la. Do mi do so la. Do so la. Okay, let's start fresh again. So mi so. Sorry. Re re mi so do so fa mi re do, re re mi so do so re do ti. So fa mi so fa mi so. Do mi do res, do mi do so la. Sorry. Do mi do so la. Do mi do so la. Do mi do so la. Let's start again. Re re mi so do so fa mi re do, re re mi so do so re do ti. Then we play so fa mi so, do mi do so la, fa mi re. Then you play again. So fa mi do, so fa mi so do bi fa, do bi do ti la re so ti. No, but it's not hard. Okay, just follow me gradually, you get it. Okay, the first one is so re re mi so do so fa mi re do, re re mi so do so re do ti. There you play. So fa mi so, do mi do so la, fa mi re. You can leave this one, but this one is a feeling. Don't worry, after this I will combine join it together so you see what I played. Let's continue. Do mi, do mi, do mi, do mi, do sol la. Then I play so fa bi so do bi. Sorry, so fa bi so do bi do ti so re la ti do bi do mi do ti la re so ti la ti sorry do bi do ti la re la ti. The first one is so mi so fa mi so do mi do la do mi do so la. That's the first one. So fa mi so do mi do so la. Then the second one is so fa mi so do mi do ti la so re la ti do mi do ti la re la ti. Then so bi so fa bi then fa so la so fa bi mama okay, let's piece this together now. The first one we say bi mi so re mi so so do so fa mi re do re mi so do so re do ti so fa mi so do mi la do mi do so la do mi do so la. Then so fa mi so do bi do ti so la do bi do ti so re la ti. Then so fa bi fa so la. Then so fa bi mama. Okay, I'm going to combine all this together now so we can understand very well. Just follow me. It's simple, as I said. You will get all I play. Okay, watch me. Okay, first of all, watch me here. Don't watch this one first. Watch this one first. After this one, then we'll combine the two together so you understand. Okay? Understand? Okay, we'll be very fast. Lord, you see it now? You see what I did? So that's it. Don't worry if you don't understand. Just replay the video. You will get it very well. Now, watch this, please. My left finger. When we also play re mi so, we play do. There. So do so fa. We go to fa. Mi re do. Re. Play go to the so do again. Re mi so. That's so now. So do fa do so do just do, fa, do, so, do, fa, do, so. Okay. Okay. There's something I want to teach. Okay, very quickly. Then we call it a day. This one, this the last ending of it. Okay. Mama, 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 mama. Say, mama, yeah, mama, yeah. Oh, then this ending is what I want to teach. Eh? It's just ti do ti do ti do ti ti do ti so re do, huh? Ti do ti so re. Okay. Just watch me. Mama, great and mighty God. You see now? Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned one or two. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe, like that, share.